Now good morning student. Now we will solve the exercise 5.1 11 sum. Okay. In this sum, 12th sum. Okay. In this example, we have the price index number is given and we have to identify the missing observation, that is for the current year. Okay. So we'll apply the same formula. So first this is the base year, so this will represent a P naught, and this is current year, so this is P1. Okay. Now we have to identify the total of this, that is sigma P naught. So 8, this is 20, 30, 36, 37, 38, 58, 66, 78. So the total is 78. Again you can total 8 plus 2, this is 10, 16, 17, 18, 18, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the total is 78. Okay, now again we will identify the total of this. So sigma P1. So 2 plus 8, that is 10. This is 10, 20, 0, 2 carry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 2, 8 plus x. This variable is x. Okay. Now we will apply the formula for the price index number. Okay. So now we will start. We know that P01, which is equal to sigma P1 upon sigma P0 into 100. Now we have given sigma P0 is also given, so we can substitute 125, which is equal to sigma P1, that is 80 plus x upon sigma P0 is 78 into 100. Okay, now take this 100 on this side, so this will become 125 upon 100. Okay, 125 upon 100, which is equal to 80 plus x upon 78. Now you can cancel this, so 25 4s are 25 5s are. Okay, now multiply 5 into 78, which is equal to 4 into 80 plus x. So 8 5s are 40, 39, which is equal to 320 plus x. Now you take 320 on that side, so 390 minus 320, which is equal to x. So x is equal to 70. So your missing observation is 70. Okay. Now question number 13, that is similar to the question number 12. Okay, now in the question it is already given 995, we have to take as a base year. So this will become P0 and 2003 will become P1. Okay, again we have the simple price index number is given P01. We have to identify the missing observation, that is y. Okay, so we need the total. So sigma P0, sum of this, and sigma P1, that is sum of this observation. So we will add this one. So 5 plus 5, that is 10, 1 carry, 9, 8, so 17, 20 and 1, 21, plus this unknown observation y. Okay, now we have to identify the total of this. So 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 carry, so 1, 8, 17, 21 and carry 22, so 2 carry, so this is 3. Okay, 324. Again you will write, we know that okay, that is we know that the formula, that is P01 is equal to sigma P1 upon sigma P0 into 100. Okay, now sigma P0 is already given in the question, so you will write 120, which is equal to sigma P1, that is 324 upon P naught is 210 plus y into 100. Okay, now you take 100 on this side, so you will get 120 upon 100, which is equal to 324 upon 210 plus y. Okay, now this 0 will get cancelled, 2 6 are 2 5 are, so we have 6 upon 5, which is equal to 324 upon 210 plus y. Okay, now we cross multiply, so 6 into 210 plus y, which is equal to 5 into 324. Okay, so now we multiply, so this is 0, 6 2s are 12 plus 6y, which is equal to 10 12 15 16. Okay, now you take this number on that side, so you will get 6y is equal to 1620 minus 1260, so 6y is equal to, this is 0, 12 minus 6 6, and this is 5 minus 2 3. Okay, 360. Okay, so therefore y is equal to 360 upon 6, which is equal to 60. So therefore y is equal to 60. Your missing observation is 60. Okay, go through the videos 2 times, okay, and try to solve the similar sum. Thank you.